Through these four methods, you can allow visitors to share the pages of your website, regardless of the platform used to create it, whether it's WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Shopify, Ionos, or HostGator. You can add share buttons to your website either using external tools or without using any third-party tool. However, keep in mind that the free tools like Add This, Add to Any, and Share This collect user data from your site and sell it to advertisers for marketing purposes. Moreover, using these tools may impact your page loading speed because of the additional JavaScript required. You can watch our tutorial to add share buttons through these external tools as long as you are okay with these potential downsides. Today, however, I will guide you on how to enable page sharing on your website without needing external code. This approach is particularly beneficial if your website lacks the functionality to add custom HTML code. The page sharing functionality through this simple method operates similarly to any external tool. Visit this page on the Dozro website for detailed step-by-step instructions on allowing your visitors to share your website articles on social media platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. This method helps maintain your site's speed and user privacy, ensuring that no data is tracked or sold to marketers. By using this method, you'll modify your URLs by adding specific prefixes for popular social media platforms. For example, to share on Facebook, you would use the Facebook Sharer URL as a prefix to your own web page URL. Once you insert your web page link, the complete URL will appear like this. To create a text link, copy this full URL. Select the desired text, navigate to the linking tool on your website, and paste the URL. It's incredibly simple to implement page sharing using this method. The process is quite similar for sharing on X, formerly Twitter, WhatsApp, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Instead of text links, you might also consider adding share buttons, as shown in the example on your screen. However, I personally prefer the text link format. You can also explore additional tutorials on website design by Dozro. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel.